welcome to another episode of Better Cocktails at Home. I'm Brian Johnson, and we're here in the Quarter Deck Club, which is our home bar, and we're going to make a nice little summer drink for you. Pretty simple, tasty though, and super drinkable, and I think it's a good fit for kind of July, August, that kind of stuff. So, it's called the Dust Up, and it's got some nice flavors, a little bit of dustiness to it. That's where the name came from. So we're going to start making it, make along at home, see what you think about it. So, we're going to start with a nice reposado tequila here. So Pueblo Viejo is kind of like, I love this brand. It's like a great price point. It's like a nice, solid, like mixing tequila. So we're going to do 2 ounces of this. And this is going to be a shake and drink. So we're going to be adding that to our mixing tin. All right, we got 2 ounces of that. And we're going to do 1 ounce of lemon juice. And we'll add that in. And then I'm going to use this as a kind of a local product. Somebody got this for us. It is Simple Goodness Sisters Blueberry Lavender Syrup. So I find that blueberry and tequila actually go really well together. So I'm going to do 3/4 of an ounce of this. So right now, if you're kind of keeping track of what we're doing, basically we just built the sour, right? So we've got a base spirit, sour component, and a sweet component. So it's pretty much a sour cocktail, right? So kind of keep with the herbalness, earthiness. I'm going to add, this is Dram's Wild Sage Bitters. I'm going to add just 1 drop of this because it's pretty strong stuff. And it really can come through too much. So that's all we're going to put in this. So it's pretty simple. We're going to shake this now. All right, so we're going to add some ice to our tin. And let's give a nice little color to it once it comes out of here. Okay. Make sure we get all that goodness out. And then we're going to do a double strand of this because I had some of the pulp on the lemons. So we want to make sure we're getting all that pulp out. So I'm going to strain this into a rocks glass. It should become out nice, beautiful kind of purple violet color from the blueberry syrup. All right. And now for the ice, I'm going to do kind of like a Pebble Ice or so. See, Pebble Ice, you have to be careful because if you freeze it too much, it gets real hard to work with, like this. Normally, if I was doing this properly, you wouldn't have all this in here. But we're kind of leaning on camera. And it's just a little ice, not going to hurt anybody. So from there, for our garnish, I'm just going to do a nice single sage leaf. Give a little smack, mostly for visuals, a little bit of aromatics to kind of reinforce the sage bitters. And then a straw. So that's the Dust Up. Yeah, it's just got like some nice, like simple flavors to it, right? I wanted to kind of make a nice, simple cocktail. Like I said, a friend got us this as a gift, and I was just kind of thinking, like, okay, what goes well with blueberry lavender, and tequila is a great fit. Like you'd think whiskey could go well to it, and probably could, but I think the tequila and blueberry really has a nice like affinity to it. And then if you wanted to, even if you wanted to lengthen this drink, add some club soda to it, it'd also be really nice. But yeah, that's the Dust Up. I hope you enjoy it and look forward to seeing you on the next episode of Better Cocktails at Home.